Now in this question, given the towers of a bridge hung in the form of a parabola have their tops 30 meters above the roadway and are 200 meters apart. I have already drawn a figure there. If the cable is 5 meters above the roadways at the center of the bridge, find the length of the vertical supporting cable 30 meters from the center. Now, the towers of a bridge hung in the form of a parabola have their tops 30 meters away, 30 meters above the roadways. It means this is 30 meters. MC, CM and BN both are 30 meters. If the cable is 5 meters above the roadways at the center of the bridge. Now center of the bridge is OA, point A is the center of the bridge and it is given at the center of the bridge, it is 5 meters above the roadway. So coordinates of A we are having now here 0, 5. If the cable is 5 meters above the roadway at the center of the bridge, find the length of the vertical supporting cable 30 meters from the center. Now from O to this point, okay, this is what 30 meters, and here we are having coordinates for point P, and that I am going to write later on. Okay, so CM and BM are 30 meters. So coordinate of B becomes now 100, 30. Okay, up to here it is 100, it is 100 because total distance is 200 meters which is given in the question. Okay, so this was all about the description for the question. Now let CAB, starting from here, C, A and B. Okay, let CAB be the bridge of X dash O X, X dash O and X, which is the roadways. Let capital A be the center of the bridge now taking X dash O X as X axis and a line passing through the center, that is Y axis, and Y dash A Y be the Y axis. Therefore, coordinates of A are 0, 5. Let equation of parabola be x square is equal to 4ay minus 5. Now, since point B and the coordinates of B are mentioned 100, 30 lies on the parabola, therefore 100 square is equal to 4 times A times 30 minus 5, putting x as 100 and y as 30. So we are having A is equal to 100. Now substituting A is equal to 100 in equation 1, we get, now we are substituting A is 100 in the equation 1. So what we are having, x square is equal to 400 y minus 5. Now let this be equation 2. Is it clear? Now already what is given? Let this L be the length of vertical supporting cable which is given 30 meters from the center. It is given 30 meters from the center, which is 30 meters from the center. Therefore, coordinate of P is now 30, L. So, coordinate of this point P, now it becomes 30, L. Is it clear? Now, point P, L lies on equation 2. Therefore, 30 square is equal to 400 y minus 5. Now solving this, what we are getting? (900) is equal to 400 y minus 5 and y is equal to 9 by 4 plus 5. This is 29 upon 4 meters. Okay. So, hence length of vertical cable is 29 upon 4 meters. So, which distance this is? Up to here, this part.